Hello there. This is my first video, and this is my second project, which involves getting a bunch of sounds for a video and doing the sound design for it. So currently I have an asset list on my phone, and I'm gonna go outside with a Tascam recorder and this windshield, and plugged into it I have a pair of Audio Technica headphones, which I got just a couple days ago, and they're decent. So yeah, just a little update telling you what's happening, and I'm gonna go out and get some sounds, and we'll see how it goes. So I'm currently just outside my house next to Naviti Park, and I'm going to go get some kind of grass sounds, kind of cloth kind of sounds for the alien at the start of the video, so I'm gonna go record them. I've recorded a door sound, which I just used this door here for the next change into the scene when he's opening the door, and I've also gone out and I've recorded grass sounds just there. So next thing I'm gonna do is record indoor sounds, and we'll see how that goes. Just recorded some home sounds, like when the alien is going across the wall, sneaking about, and I also recorded the TV. I'm gonna go back and record it from outside the room, but I've now gone up to the loft, and I'm going to, if I can turn the camera around, which I can, I'm gonna go record some sounds on this floor, and exposure there, and just see what sounds I can get from here. So some pretty interesting ones here. Gone upstairs, and I've recorded some loft sounds for some Foley, and I've also recorded some sounds in the bathroom. And the sounds in the bathroom I've recorded for the scene in the sewer and also the bathroom scene. And what I've done was I've flushed the toilet for the flush the toilet noise, and I've also added in some type of rain drop effects. So for example, what I've done is I've closed the shower, and I've put the shower to a very, very light spray to the point where it's just raindrops kind of sound. And I'm hoping to use that in the bit with the sewer. And I've also done a little fun sound for when the alien is exiting the water when he's walking up the steps. And what I've done is I've filled a little container with water, and I've taken a sponge and I've dunked it in, and I've recorded the sound of the sponge submerging from the water, so just taking it out. And I think that will be a effective sound for the project, and I'll see how it goes. I can't wait to put it into use. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to record a couple more sounds, and I'm going to record the sound of a Luton van tail lift, tailgate even, just going up and down, and yeah. So here's the tailgate on the van, and I'm hoping it will make a good sound for when the alien is entering the big kind of hall he's in, and this is the sound it makes. Maybe speed that up a bit and pitch it fun. Like that. So that's me recorded the Luton van tailgate, and hopefully I'm going to use that for the sliding doors. And you're probably wondering why I've got this bit of bread, and it's going out of date tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is a bit counter backwards, or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to need a sound for birds at the start of the scene. So what I'm going to do is, there's a wee birdhouse just in the back garden, and I'm going to take this roll apart, and hopefully the idea is to capture some bird sounds in the morning if I get up early enough, and then wait for the birds to come get this roll. So hopefully it works. Wee bits of bread in this one, and I don't know if you can see it, but I've actually, there's a birdhouse just there, put some bread in there, and I've also put some bread just around the garden, so we shall see. Let's see the time, 20 minutes past 11, and I will be finishing this wee cup of tea, and I will be up in the morning, hopefully, to wake up and find birds outside just there and record them for my video. So I will see everyone in the morning. That's around 7 o'clock now, and I've just gone out a bit earlier to go get some bird sounds. And when I went out to go record the sounds, it was a little bit noisy. There was a little bit of traffic, although the windshield did help a lot. So what I'm hoping to do is when I get into the actual editing of the sounds and whatnot, I'll find a way to just take out the noise of the cars and anything else I don't want in there, and put that in the start of my my video, so I can add to the ambient sound. But that is an update of everything behind the scenes. If you want, taking recordings of sounds, and I will make another video later, and I will post the video of the finished product on my vlog. So goodbye.